Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell and click on all to get more updates on crypto earners.
Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Earners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free Metakings. First of all, if you enter the website, I'll be keeping it below if you want to check it out. Click on Connect Wallet, then click on Connect. It will take you to your Trust Wallet. Then click on Connect in your Trust Wallet, then click back and then click on Save and Leave. Then click back again. It will show you that it has been connected successfully. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. The pre-sale is open and is giving it. Okay, click on this get airdrop. After clicking on get airdrop, click on begin airdrop task, then click it. But if you want to refer people, you can as you can see below is saying that if you refer one person you get 20 meta kings. That's good. I'm telling you, I've invited and I've been receiving it. Then click on begin airdrop task. After clicking on begin airdrop task, copy this code that you have seen, then go and join the Telegram channel. Okay, let me go and join. I have already joined, but let me go and join. Okay, you see I have joined it. First of all, you need to go and join it, then click back and then back again, then go to the Telegram group, go and join the Telegram group. And then when you join the Telegram group, you need to add 3 of your friends. Yes, you need to add 3 people. Yes, after entering, then copy it and then paste it. When you paste it, then send it to the group. The admin will tell you it has been verified and you need to go and add. Let me show you how to add friends. Click on this. No, it's not this one. Then click on it. After clicking on it, then click on this plus sign, add friends. And you can see this is just a demonstration. It's not my real one. I'm just demonstrating to you. Then you add the people that you want, like 3 or 5. Okay, then let me go back. After the admin has verified your code, you can proceed and continue task. Then click on don't let process. Then you need to go to the Twitter. Okay, go to the Twitter. After going, I won't go to the, okay, after you go to your Twitter, then you need to follow them and then tweet that pinned post, and you need to tag 3 of your friends and use this hashtag. Let's proceed. Then the third one is you need to click on here and then go to the YouTube, and you need to watch some of the videos and like and share it to your Facebook, WhatsApp. Don't forget that you need to watch. After watching, go and share it to your Facebook or WhatsApp so that they can get more people. Yes. Okay, then click back. Okay, then go back again. Yes, you need to go and share it. Please don't forget to share it. Then click on proceed. Then the fourth one, this is the last one, you need to go and subscribe to the channel. After subscribing to the channel, let me click on it. Let me tell you that I have subscribed to the channel. Yes, you need to go and subscribe to the channel. After subscribing to the channel, just watch some of the videos and like, and then go back here, back. Then if I quiz don't let proceed, it will show me error because I already performed the task. Then it will tell you to put your YouTube Gmail that you have used to subscribe to them, and then your Twitter username. After clicking on it, that's how you have finished the task. And then you wait for 24 hours or 48 hours and you will receive your free Meta Kings. Okay, let me show you how to add that smart contract. Go to the Trust Wallet, this back, then click on this, and go down. Yes, I will be keeping the code, the smart chain code. Yes, I will be keeping the smart contract below if you want to check it. Then paste it, and you can see it automatically fill in all the necessary ones, then click on done. Now you have added the Metakings to your Trust wallet. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to earn money in crypto. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.